Hello and welcome to another update of Decay Undead. In the last update I actually released points, and I've added a lot since that update. And then rather than uploading and making new updates, everything little I added, I figured I'd just add a lot and then bring you guys this video, especially with commentary so I can explain what's going on. So up until now we were able to add in the zombies. I've been able to shoot the zombies, and in the last update we had points, so I would get points when I do kill them. Um, they do die, they take damage, and that can be changed depending on what weapon I have. Right now I actually do have a weapon. There's just no model. It is a pistol. It shoots one bullet at a time, and it does 50 damage. So right now the zombie's health is only 100, and I haven't figured out the math problem that I would like to use for the different rounds. I do have a math problem for the spawns. Right now it's very simple as well. It really is just 6 times whatever round it is. So round 1 has 6, round 2 would have 12, etc. And that is that, but I'll definitely look into a better math problem, or it may be just flat out how many zombies I want for each round. So I want to let you guys know I am giving away a copy of this dev build. There will be 10 winners. To enter, oh, that's a glitch right there. To enter, you will only have to do simple things like, follow me on Twitter or check out the Facebook. There is a link to it in the description. It is through Gleam, which is a great interface that allows for awesome giveaways, which can check whether or not you've checked out my Facebook page or follow me on Twitter and stuff like that. So we do have a glitch right here, which I'll definitely have to work on. That was my first time actually noticing that. That's weird. But yeah, so we shoot a zombie, we get 10 points. We kill a zombie, we get 100 points. So shoot, he is dead. Shoot, he is dead, and etc. And then once all of them are dead, it will pause for 2 seconds, change the round, and then spawn more. And like I said earlier, it all depends on what round it is of how many zombies would spawn. Now, like I said, I do already have a weapon implemented, which is, I just need to figure out how to switch them at this point. But it's very simple for me to change the distance of what the weapon can reach, and more importantly, the damage and the fire rate, which is very simple. So when I do have a new weapon, I literally only have to change 3 variables, and then it's a completely different weapon, which is pretty awesome. Right now we are on round 3. I've also implemented character damage, so my character can actually be damaged by the zombie, which I'll show right here. So as you can see on the left, there is a little indicator right there of 50, and then if I don't take damage for, I think I put 2 second or something like that, which again, all of these are just temporary values, I would then gen to the 100 health then. That way I don't die. And it's very simple. I only have 100 health. I'll always only have 100 health unless I have an upgrade. So after a certain amount of time, it just gains back 50. Obviously that would be doubled if I did add a health boost or something like that. So again, I can walk up to a zombie. It hits me about 2 times every second, so it does have a little delay. And again, I am still working on that. But hopefully I can get feedback from the winners. And also just by looking at this, you can definitely, let me know your feedback as well. Because the math side of things is going to be pretty much, play. Okay, this should be a little bit quicker. This should be a little bit slower, etc. But we do have the points. The next thing that I have been working on, and I kind of have it, is buying doors. So I just need to tweak it a bit so it actually works properly. But I can go up to an area if I have a certain amount of points of whatever that area costs. It would then subtract that and destroy whatever is blocking it. This is development, so it was just a block, but that will obviously turn into a wall or an invisible doorway or something. But I was able to figure that out. The only thing I have to do then is just check when it was right here, which is why I keep going here, but just check when I am in it, if I press a button or not, and then obviously the text that shows up. But yeah, we also then have to add in text will show you which weapon and all of that stuff, and Obviously, I am working on this myself on my spare time. So, and to be honest, I actually rebuilt this all again today because there was a few things I wanted to implement, and rather than just go through all my coding and change it and all that, I just started over from scratch as well. So it doesn't take too long to rebuild it if I know what I'm doing. It just takes long trying to figure it out. But this video is long enough. You know, guys, definitely check out the website decayundead.com. Enter the giveaways. You'll have entries. It's very simple. Like I said, you just check it out. I still have to make it actually, but you would get an entry just checking out the Facebook page and liking it and following me on Twitter and subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is again Decay Undead on everything. So I am trying to raise money for this game as well. I would love to get a laptop. That way I can work on the game more. The laptop would allow me to take it to work on my breaks and stuff like that. I have had 2 donators, so thank you so much. You guys are amazing, and if you want to, you can definitely do so. It gets you entered into, not entered, but access to like the dev builds. So I mean, you would already get to play this if even if you don't win the giveaway, just because you would have, if you would have supported the game, and which you can do. And yeah, so hopefully you guys will, again, check out the website, check out the development, coming along nicely, I would like to think, and obviously just watching this video, let me know anything that you would like to think would make it better. For example, if you know what the math is due, you know, I am comparing this game to, at least this game mode, to Call of Duty Zombies, and I have looked up how their spawns work, and what I mean by that is how many zombies are on the round, each round, and it doesn't seem like a real algorithm. It's very like a math problem, for example, like round times round plus round, or whatever it may be. It is very just flat out, this is how many on this level. So I might need to incorporate something like that, or I may do a simple math problem, which is like, I did think about round plus a number times the round, but then I had like 1,000,000 zombies, and I don't know if that's good or not. So we will have to see. I also do have it where only, I'll let them all spawn. I've just been killing them, going crazy. Their health also hasn't changed. It's always 100. I need to figure out the good math problem for that, and go from there. But they're right now, and this is, I haven't tested, I haven't tested, we gotta kill them, oh no, I haven't tested, what am I trying to say, I haven't tested the mechanics or anything like that, or performance, that's the word, performance, but I only have 20 zombies at once, so only 20 zombies, and they get stuck. I think it's mainly just because their arms are out. You can also glitch and come over here, and then they lose you, which is a good way to track that. But and then I could just drop down here. But I think it's just because their arms are out that they collide with each other and make walls and stuff, because their arms are so far out. But I've talked a lot. This is the longest update video. It's also the newest, obviously, but it has the most stuff to it. And as you can see, that's all the zombies. You can get max. Stupid Avast. Oh no, Avast killed me. Also, if you do die, I've not implemented a respawn yet, so it does kind of, you can't exit out of the game, so you have to alt-tab. But Avast killed me. Stupid Avast. Anyhow, I'm going to go. Again, check out the giveaway if you guys would like to play this, and please let me know your feedback on the math problems and all that you think would be good, and if there's anything else that you think I should tweak upon just by watching. I will let you guys go and check out the website.